Jos Aban Santos. This is museum. Museum in Angeles City. Now open. From Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. except holidays. I will ask. Excuse me, this museum is open for free for everyone, or need to schedule or pay? Only right. Okay. Okay, can I take video inside? Not problem? Okay. So first you need to write here. Oh, I put not wrong. No, it's okay. This is entrance. Entrance.
There's a payment donation, the maintenance.
Okay, thank you.
Donation.
Okay.
After your donation payment.
After donation. Where? Where need donation? Okay. First I walk. Need donation, it's donation. First time see here. This is from the old. This is English translators. I will walk slowly. Who interesting, just message to me, and I come back, and I will slowly show to you this museum. Town Hall of Angeles. See. Only this museum, okay. Exit. And maybe upstairs, I don't know. Upstairs also, okay. Okay, going to upstairs. Wooden floor. Kitchen. This is church. Holy Angel University, this one. And this side is police station. Cannot see good because don't have light here. Yeah, without light not easy to see inside. Maybe you can. Maybe I try to edit and you can see better. This is street foods. Christmas tree ready to decoration. Yes, they prepare already for decoration. Kitchen, old kitchen, refrigerator. Интересно. Миксер. Okay, we're going to downstairs. I prepare 100 peso for donation. Even it's free, of course better give money. But where? Excuse me, where is box? For donation box, where? This one is donation box. So this one we can put money. Little bit, but it's okay. Okay, donation box. It's today. How many people today is? Okay. So you already know Museum of the Center of Angeles, and this is what is Filipino traditional also souvenirs. So you can buy also souvenirs here. Philippines information also. So you already watch video from museum. Many times I walk here, but I never been inside. So you already know. Maybe so who want to come to the Angeles, you can visit this museum.